In this guide, we will go through the process of creating bundle IDs for your app and a corresponding notification bundle ID. The first step is logging into your Apple developer account. Once you've logged in, navigate to Program Resources, and under the Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles section, click on Identifiers. Now click on the plus button next to Identifiers to register a new identifier. Select App IDs, and then click on App to continue. In the next step, fill out the description field with any name that will make it easy to find this identifier again. Then enter the bundle ID. This should be something unique, such as com.appspotter.appname. In here, using com.appspotter.newswrapnew. Make sure that the app ID prefix matches your team ID. You can find your team ID at the top right of the screen under your Apple account name. Scroll down the capabilities list and select Fonts and Push Notifications. These capabilities are necessary for enabling notifications and custom fonts in your app. Once you've selected the capabilities, click Continue and then click Register to finalize your app bundle ID. Now, return to the Identifiers section and create a second new bundle ID. This time, use the exact same name as the one you just created, but add .notifications to the end of it. For example, if your first bundle ID was com.appspotter.newswrapnew, the second one should be com.appspotter.newswrapnew.notifications. After creating both bundle IDs, return to your CMS. Enter the first iOS bundle ID, com.appspotter.newswrapnew. Next, enter your team ID, which can be found at the top right of your Apple developer page. This completes the configuration of your bundle IDs. Congratulations! You've successfully created and configured the bundle IDs for your app.